CS1522 is Garmin's standalone professional fish finder with 15-inch portrait display. We will introduce CS1522's new keys that are different from previous chart plotters. First, you will notice that there are 4 knobs. The large knob is for adjusting range. And for the 3 small knobs below, the first one is for adjusting gain. The second one, in traditional mode, it is for adjusting echo stretch. And in clear view and side view mode, it is for adjusting contrast. The third knob is for adjusting TVG. Next, let's take a look at the new keys of CS1522. Press standby to disable or enable sonar transmission. Press mode to switch display modes. Information is hidden when holding back. Hold select to screenshot. Hold mark to open the waypoints list. Press range to switch between auto and manual range. When receiving an alarm, press alarm to silence it. Hold alarm to open the alarms menu. Lastly, CS1522 has 4 custom keys, F1 to F4. Press to access their preset functions. Hold to open the custom keys menu. This allows you to assign preferred functions. And that's it.